We started off this journey in 2013, and this was the city wherein we started the journey. And we are blessed that in this journey, we have been getting good response from every quarters of or all walks of people who have associated with the brand, starting from our own team members to our guests who have blessed us. And starting from 2013, when we started off with the first property, now we are sitting on 44th property in Sikandrabad. And this is the sixth outlet in this city. And many more to go in this city, in fact. So this city has been doing wonderfully well for us. And in fact, we are also planning to expand our wings in the state as well with Vijayawada on cards. And with this, we have also expanded our entire footprints, not only in South, but also now we are operating our restaurants in 18 major cities in India with 44 presence. And also we are operating restaurants in UAE. So we have 2 of our restaurants operational in Dubai, and we are also expanding our restaurants across globe. So that is something which is on cards. We were known for our dine-in products. We were known for our products which we have been doing so far. With this pandemic, we have also learned the business of delivering food. So we are exploring that vertical as well. And now we have started our brand of Express by AVs, which is into delivering food at your comfort, at your place. Going forward, from here on, we are looking at major expansions, not only in metros, but also now we are making our inroads to B-grade cities, and that would help us to penetrate more into the Indian consumers' mindset. So that's how the brand is positioned at this point of time, and in days to come, we are very bullish on dine-in segment. We will keep on adding our restaurants, and we'll keep on engaging our consumers with more variety of food and the exemplary services which we do.